Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, printer Canon MG5750, so MG5700 series, and now I'm going to show you how to change the administrator password on this device, or how to remove this password on your device. So firstly, you need to open the m.web server. If you don't know, your standard default password is your serial number. You can check it using normal settings interface. We have the video on our channel how to do it. So you can open a web server, then find device settings here. You need to choose security here. Then choose administrator password setting and remove administrator password or change. If you need to change the password, so just enter your new password. I will choose just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then just click OK. Great! Password was successfully changed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.